Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the Netflix HDR test and the Amazon Prime HD support test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme X1 Max device. And this is my review which I'm trying to do after a long time of using these both phones. And let's see which phones are actually compatible with the HDR content and Amazon Prime HD. And during this time, even I'll try to see which phone can actually play these applications at the higher refresh rate. That's the reason I did include the real-time refresh rate option, which is available in both phones, as you can see. So in this way, we'll be able to check what is happening with the both phones. And I did select only 120Hz, not in the auto mode, only in the 120Hz only in this phone, as you can clearly see here. So just as a proof, I'm trying to show you in the display options and 120, as you can see, 120Hz. That's perfectly selected. Let me just slightly decrease brightness. Now you should be able to see. As you can see friends, slightly, yes, 120Hz, that's perfectly done. Now let's open the applications. First let's test in Amazon Prime. Let's see which phone actually supports Amazon Prime HD and which phone can actually have the 120Hz refresh rate as well. So right now I'm trying to play in the iQOO 7 device at this moment. This is the iQOO 7 smartphone, as you can see exactly. And the iQOO 7 device, you can clearly see, you can see the HD content as well. And when I try to move forward, you can see exactly 1080. So in the iQOO 7 device, there should not be any kind of issues with the Amazon Prime HD, and we are getting the touch sampling. I think refresh rate is of close to 60 Hz refresh rate in the Amazon Prime. When you're watching the videos, of course, when you're watching the movies and everything, we'll get the 60 Hz only. But right now, when you're trying to scroll along the application, it turns into only 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see. But when you try to play the movie, it will be 60 Hz. That's not a big issue. But in the Realme X1 Max, let's see what is happening in the Realme X1 Max. It's playing 120 Hz, no problem. Same, and when you're trying to play the movie, and it immediately changes to 60 Hz, no problem. But let's take the HD support test. Yes, so it's showing HD support as well, as you can see exactly. HD support test. So all Prime HD is slightly supported in both phones, so you should not be worried at all in the iQOO 7 device and the Realme X1 Max device. Next is to check the Netflix HDR content. Which phone actually supports the HDR? So right now I did type the HDR in both phones, you can clearly see here. So now the refresh rate remains at 120 Hz in the iQOO 7 device, in the Netflix application, in the Realme X1 Max. That's not a big deal, but let's see which phone can actually support the HDR content. I'm trying to open the same movie, as you can see, same movie I'm trying to open, and you can see you're getting the HD in the Realme X1 Max and HDR content in the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see both phones, the difference, how it is. So HD and the HDR content. So friends, the final conclusion is that the iQOO 7 supports the HDR content in the Netflix application, but right now in the Realme X1 Max, still the Netflix application is not supported with the HDR content at this moment. And the Realme X1 Max also not playing at higher refresh rate. I mean, when you're trying to scroll, that's not a big deal, but still I just want to mention. This friends is a quick comparison between both phones, and in case if you want me to do this kind of comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to compare. Definitely I'll do my best to compare them as soon as possible. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.